friends, I'm Bill Blake at Veurink's RV Center with another video for you, and this time I'm going to introduce the all-new 2022 Kodiak 296. This is a 29-foot bunkhouse, weighs right around 6,000 pounds, so let's get started on the outside. You'll notice that Kodiak's going to make it really easy for you to set this camper up. First of all, you got an electric power tongue jack. Extremely easy to do that, just push a button, comes right off. Fiberglass front cap with LED lighting, which is a really nice touch there. I love the outside storage in this. You're going to be able to fit a lot of bigger items, lawn chairs and that kind of thing, with a pass-through storage. Now keep in mind that this is a power jack, which is another easy way to set up. And these are actually also LED lit at night. They look pretty nice, so your camper looks nice at night as well. So this is a six-sided aluminum caged, or they call it a bear caged, which means to you it's all six-sided aluminum cages. There's no wood involved in building this coach, so the strength is really, really good. So let's step on inside and look at the all-new interior. Hey, welcome to the inside of this camper. It's absolutely gorgeous. Kodiak has stepped up their game with this. Let's start in the back right here. First of all, you got a double over double bunk for the kids. You've got plenty of storage underneath there as well. You've got hanging storage here. Included is a ladder, and you've got a hard pocket door for the kids too. So that's just in the bedroom right there. There's a lot to talk about there. Storage is key. Everybody wants storage. We've provided it. Look at this hidden pantry storage that they offer. Very smooth operating. Doesn't hit the floor or anything. There's a magnetic right there it catches. Below there is a fireplace with even more storage right there, or you can put some DVDs there. TVs included right there. Okay, right across the from the entertainment center is this all new fabric sofa. This is gorgeous. It actually does a couple different things. It actually reclines as well, so we'll show you that. Very easy to do there. It also makes into a bed. Just pull the strap and you've got a third bed for more company or more sleeping. This camper sleeps 8 to 10 people easily. If you go up here now, you've got a dinette. It's a U-shaped dinette, as you see. It does also convert into the bed as well. If you want just a booth, you can actually take this part out of it and make it in just to a table right here. Of course, Kodiak is famous for their storage. It's very, very deep, and it's drawers included. You don't have to lift up a cushion to access that. Right across the room from there is the kitchen area. You've got a well laid out kitchen, actually a microwave on top. You've got a three burner stove. You got the LED lit right here, which is a nice touch. Barn style sink right here. And look at this gorgeous countertop that they've given you. This is all new for 2022. Sets off the camper extremely nice in my opinion. Right here you've got more storage in the kitchen area, more drawers. Very, very convenient. Hey, now we're going into the bathroom area, which is extremely well laid out. You've got a medicine cabinet right above the sink. You've got more storage below the sink as well. And then they offer a linen or towel closet right there. Over here now you've got, I love that they include the glass shower doors. Not just a curtain like a lot of the competitors do, which is a nice touch. You've got the foot flush toilet, which is extremely convenient. And then as you go into the bedroom area, there is another hard pocket door right here for that type of thing. And then of course you got storage underneath the bed. Clear, it's all on struts, so it's easy to use. And then rounding off, now you've got, of course, closets on each side of the bed. Friends, that's just a short clip on the 296 Kodiak. They did an extremely nice job. I encourage you to come on inside Veurink's to take a look at it for yourself. If you have any questions, please be sure to give me a call.